if you don't have a passion for what you're doing, then it won't work, because then you're gonna be miserable. So whatever you're doing, first you gotta love it before you get into it. That's just my personal advice. It's all about creating the island vibe, the island style, the island flavor, bringing it to the people. That's the vision behind Malvo's Chill Spot. We'll be taking it all around the world. Our style is to actually please everybody worldwide. So we'll have a mix of Italian, American, Jamaican, everything fused into one pot. So, you know, we take a little from every country from around the world, but we still make it into our authentic Jamaican cuisine. It's just a passion for feeding people. So it's always something that's embedded in us to always be feeding and, you know, having family time. So that's basically the whole concept about Malvo's Chill Spot, because it's all about me giving back to the people. This is the man, he's the man that created the beautiful artwork, you know, respect to Benji. My favorite thing about this trailer is the rap. Give big kudos to Benji. He was the one, the mastermind behind this creativity. I kind of told him what I wanted, and he had a feel for the vision, and he brought it to life for me. It's all about, you know, a vibe, a culture, and a passion for what we do, you know. My favorite thing with working with One Fat Frog is, honestly speaking, I had many options of going to other places to get my trailer built, but when I came here, I met the owner, Amin, and just his personality, first and foremost, that was the most important thing that kind of let me wanted to do business with One Fat Frog. So I'd say, you know, that was the best part of the experience, because of his passion for what he does. It kind of drew me in to doing business with them, and I'm happy that I did choose them to do the trailer for us. And definitely I have to feature my foundation. I have a non-profit, which is the I Love Lucy Foundation, which the vision behind that is giving back again to the kids in my community in Jamaica. I donate school supplies, Christmas stuff, and all of that. And also the Palm Beach Curry Festival, which is a entity which was brought to light because of my passion for cooking Jamaican dishes.
Perfect day.